Remember, stand your indicators up. Looking good. Alright, we're ready to start cutting iron. Alright, we're going to start off with the face and clean it up. We're going to use this MCK&R tool, the CNMG insert. That particular one there, I always like the way it cuts cast iron, so we're going to try that. And I may go to, on the OD, I might use the brazed on tool. I know the inside I'm going to use a brazed on tool and a 2-inch boring bar. We're not going to take any big giant heavy cut here. We're just going to clean the face up. So here's our fun setup for the bore. We've got a 2-inch Allures boring bar. We're using a 1/2-inch square brazed on carbide tool bit. I took a couple and I reground them. There's one right there that I touched up while I was over there, so I'd have a backup in case that one chips. I can just put this one in there and keep going with it. That's something that we probably ought to talk about one day on a video, is grinding these using a carbide grinder. So anyway, I've got the bar sticking out there to where it'll just clear the end right there, come through and clear. We've only got about 5/16 to come out of that bore, but I'm not going to be taking no big heavy cuts. We're going to be taking moderate cuts, maybe 100 thousandths a pass. All right, just not pushing it too hard. I will say that I snugged up the gib on the cross slide a little bit. This machine has got wear in the center, just like most all the older machines do. So I've got it down here towards the center of the travel. So I snugged it up so that we have less of this tilting motion on the cross slide here. So let's go ahead and touch it off and see how it does, okay? All right, not bad. I'm gonna let it make a pass through there, just like it is there. Probably about 2/3 of the way through there. I just wanted to show you, if you look right along that seam right there, you can kind of see the oil kind of bubbling. That's the cross slide raising and lowering onto that surface right there. And that's why I was saying, some cases like this, when you got a lot of overhang, like a long bar, you come in here and you can tighten up this gib just a little bit, tighten it up to where you can still slide it back and forth, but snug it so that you don't get, so you eliminate as much of that as you can. Yeah, we got a little bit of wear on the tip, man. That was that old crusty stuff in there is hell on carbide tools. It's still cutting through it. All right, so our target is going to be 4-inch 440, and I should have. Yeah, I was thinking that I was right around 4 3/8. We're right there at it. So I'm going to take another rough cut to get it really close, and then hopefully I can do a light cut and it'll kind of eliminate some of that. We're getting a little bit of chatter in there, a little bit of vibration, but when we back off, and take a light cut, it should make a pretty nice smooth finish down through there. Should be about 20-25 thousandths away of being my target size, so I'm going to use my telescope gauge here and mic to see where I'm at. So this is a Starrett 12-inch telescope gauge. I got a full set of these. These are very handy to have, a very useful tool to have in your toolbox, and they're not hard to use at all, just like a regular telescope gauge, except it's 12-inch.